You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name. It's Italian originally, and it's a fashion brand name. If you want to learn more luxury names that are confusing and that many mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all here on the channel. Zegna, that's your Italian pronunciation here. It's not Zegna, Zegna. GN together in Italian form the sound nya, nya. Okay, so Zegna, Italian pronunciation, or in English, Zegna. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.